this example, I have 1 over 1 minus sine x plus 1 over 1 plus sine x equals to 2 secant squared x. Let's see how to solve it. The first thing, we need to start from the left hand side, and we also need to do the common denominator. So here for the numerator is going to be multiplied by this guy here. It's going to be 1 plus sine x plus these two. It's going to be 1 minus sine x. And as you see here, this sine x and sine x cancel out because plus and negative, they cancel out. And we have 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. And here I have 1 minus sine x times 1 plus sine x. So a plus b times a minus b will be equal to a squared minus b squared. So it's going to be a 1 minus sine squared x. So then we have 2 divided by 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared x. So it's going to be 2 secant squared x. So that's going to be the answer.